Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have administrator access and no active file transfers. Open Start, type Disk Cleanup, and select the app. This launches a quick scan. Choose your system drive, typically C, because temporary and update files concentrate there. Once done, Disk Cleanup lists categories you can remove. This is where you decide what to delete. Make sure to keep any files you need from downloads or thumbnails if you rely on cached images. Now click Cleanup System Files to include Windows Update leftovers and installer logs. These often reclaim the most space. Review each category and hover or right-click for details when unsure. Temporary files and Recycle Bin are safe if you emptied important items. Use more options to remove old system restore points and shadow copies when you need maximum recovery space, but know this removes rollback options. Once selections are made, complete the process by rebooting to finalize removal of files like Windows Update components. After restart, verify reclaimed space in Settings System Storage. If Disk Cleanup refuses to run, make sure you ran it as an administrator or try Storage Sense in Settings as an alternative. You can also run CleanGr exe from the Run box. If Windows Update Cleanup stays stubborn, run dism/online/cleanupimage/ start component cleanup and reboot. This repairs component store.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.